Hello, I'm Candy Grimes, Program Lead for the Alaska Native Veteran Land Allotment Program. In this video, we'll provide an overview of the map software. The map that loads from the link on the program page automatically has the appropriate map layers turned on. The first tab on the top menu is Determining Visible Map Layers. Inside the menu, you'll see two selections already turned on by default. Let's zoom into an area we can select from. In this area, you'll see several colors, some with dots and others with lines. To find the map key, go to the top menu bar and select the second button. Here, you'll see red indicates lands have already been selected by another veteran and no longer available. Then there are the bright colors and the pastel colors. The difference between these is the bright colors are available for you to select and BLM can process your application now. The pastel colors mean you can select, but the BLM cannot process your application until the public land order review is completed and an opening order goes into effect. Please note, once the public land order review is completed, the pastel colors will change to the brighter colors and you won't see the pastel colored portion of the key anymore. The colors mean the same thing in either shade. The yellow means there are no encumbrances. The pink and purple indicate a village or regional corporation has selected those lands. The blue and green means the state has selected those lands. In order for us to process your application for previously selected lands, the selecting agency would have to relinquish their selection first. If they decline to relinquish, we will notify you and request you select other lands. Let's zoom in a little closer and see about selecting lands. This area looks promising, but I want to see what's behind the colors. I'm going to go back over here and determine the visible land map layers. Click on the three dots next to the availability of lands for selection. Go down to Transparency. Move the slider towards the transparent and you'll be able to see what the lands look like. If you want an even better look, you can go up to the four squares and click on Imagery, and now you can see what it looks like from a satellite view. Now I'm going to select my land. I want to show you these numbers right here, and these letters and numbers. You'll need those later for your application. Each of these squares is 640 acres, so 160 would be 1/4 of that. Now I'm going to select some land. To do that, hit the fourth button on the top menu. It looks like a painter's palette. Then select the polygon tool. You'll also want to select a color that's going to show up on the map against the background. Select the corners of your selection. It doesn't have to be square and it can cross into other sections. To close the selection, double-click on the starting point. If you go a little over or under 160 acres on your map, that's okay. We can adjust it to 160 acres for you. Trying to get exact on the map software can be challenging. Now that you've selected your land, print the map. To do that, go to the Print tab. Wait for the Advanced tab to pop up. There are a couple things you'll need to do. Click the Advanced tab, then click the circle behind the fourth scale. Where it says Author, type in the vet's name. I'm going to type in my name to show what it looks like on the map. Now hit Print. When the PDF is produced, click on it and it will open in another window and shows you the lands that you have selected, the date and time in which you produced the map. And down here towards the bottom on the right-hand side is the name you've typed in. Go ahead and print that out and you'll submit it along with your application. As you can see on the map, those numbers and letters that were shown on the screen are still on the map, and you'll need those when you fill out your application. If you have any questions or concerns or need help with this, please call the Bureau of Land Management at 907-271-5998. Thank you.